3 common mistakes people make when it comes to recycling. You're beginning to live an eco-friendly life, and one of the first things you want to start is recycling, since you know that is a somewhat effective method of reusing items and helping the environment. However, there are recycling rules, and as someone who has never done it before, you are not following them, making all of your efforts for nothing because you are contaminating your bags, which means they're just getting thrown into the landfill instead of recycled. So what mistakes are you making that you need to stop to have your recycling efforts be effective? Mistake number 1, putting everything that has a recycling symbol into the bin. The recycling symbol on the plastic tells the recyclers the type of plastic it is so they can know how to recycle it. It does not tell the consumers that it goes into the recycling bin. Mistake number 2, listening to what people on the internet say is recyclable. Each city's recycling facility is different. Just because something is recyclable for one person in their city does not mean it is recyclable in your city. There are a couple things that are most likely recyclable in your city, but you still need to check to make sure you're not putting in things that are not recyclable. And mistake number 3 is putting in recyclables that are contaminated. This means like putting in paper plates with food or grease on them into the recycling bin if paper is something your city recycles in the curbside bin, or putting in broken glass or even non-recyclable plastics like plastic bags and other things that actually fuck up the recycling facility's machines. So how can you avoid making these 3 mistakes and begin your recycling journey on the right foot? Well, the answer is actually the same for each mistake. You need to go to your recycling facility's website, just search your city name, recycling, and look on the website for information on what they do and don't take and how they take it. Can it be clean or dirty? Do they take cardboard and paper in the curbside bin, or is that somewhere else? Etc., etc. And then have that easily seeable so you remind yourself and keep yourself from contaminating your curbside recycling bin. Once you stop making these mistakes, you will stop contaminating your recycling bin, and that means you won't have as much of a negative impact as the recycling will actually be recycled instead of thrown into landfills, and you can feel great that your recycling efforts are actually doing something. Also a reminder that recycling is not the end all, and it's not amazing and going to solve all of our problems, but it is a tool out there that we can use as more solutions are being created. It is also better to reduce any of your waste first and reuse what you can before putting in the recycling bin. If you want more help in dealing with all of the different waste streams in your life, sign up for my new course waitlist. The course is on its way, and signing up for the waitlist will allow you to be the first to know when it launches and to get special pricing.